It's June 2006. The diagram shows the seating plan for passengers in a minibus which has 17 seats arranged in a 4 rows. ये 17 seats हैं 1, 2, 3, 4 rows में आपकी arranged हो गई. The back row has 5 seats and the other 3 rows have 2 seats each on each side. 11 passengers get on the minibus. How many possible seating arrangements are there for 11 passengers? तो first part it's very simple. आपके पास टोटल कितनी अरेंजमेंट है? आपके पास टोटल 17 की अरेंजमेंट है. ऑलराइट, उन 17 में आपको कितने लोगों को बिठाना है अभी उसमें? इट इज़ क्लियरली मेंशन कि आपने उनमें से 11 को बिठाना है. ठीक है, तो पहले का आ जाएगा हमारे पास 17P11 क्योंकि यहाँ पर बात की जा रही है प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट की. ठीक है, सिंप्लीफाई किया आपने, यू विल गेट 4.94 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 11. ये आपके पहले का आंसर. फॉर सेकेंड पार्ट, how many possible seating arrangements are there if 5 particular people sit in the back row? अब ये देखें कि आपके पास टोटल कैपेसिटी, टोटल पैसेंजर कितने हैं? हमारे पास 11 हैं. ठीक है ना, उन 11 में से हम 5 को तो बिठा चुके हैं, तो हमारे पास अब बचे कितने हैं? 11 में से हमने 5 को बिठा दिया, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हम 6 लोगों की बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, दूसरी बात आप ये देखें कि आपके पास जो टोटल पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हैं वो आपके पास कितनी है बेटा? इट्स 17 में से आपने 5 को रिमूव कर दिया, 5 ऑलरेडी ऑक्यूपाइड हो गई हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि मेरे पास 12 बचे. ऑलराइट, अब ये 12 में से आपको 6 लोगों की जगह है आपके पास. ठीक है ना, 12 आपके पास स्पेसेस हैं, 6 लोगों को आके बैठना है. उन लोगों का क्या हुआ जो यहाँ पर बैक स्पेस में बैठे हुए हैं? तो ये बहुत सिंपल है कि उन लोगों के लिए हम अप्लाई कर लेंगे 5 फैक्टोरियल. ऑलराइट, वो जो लोग हैं उनकी यहाँ पर अरेंजमेंट चेंज हो सकती है, वो यहाँ पर शफल कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए आ गया मेरे पास 5 फैक्टोरियल, और जो आपके पास 11 पैसेंजर्स थे 5 आपने यहाँ पर बिठा दिए. अब बचे आपके पास 6 पैसेंजर्स. उन 6 पैसेंजर वो कहाँ कहाँ बैठ सकते हैं? तो उनके पास ये जगह हैं, इट्स 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. तो 12 में से वो कहाँ 6 जगह बैठ सकते हैं? ये इसका आंसर हो जाएगा. हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, सो यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ 7, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. ये मैं आफ्टर राउंडिंग ऑफ आंसर बता रहा हूँ, ये इसका आंसर हो जाएगा सेकंड पार्ट का. ऑलराइट, फॉर थर्ड पार्ट द क्वेश्चन सेज of the 11 passengers 5 are unmarried and the other 6 consist of 3 married couples. In how many ways can 5 of the 11 passengers on the bus be chosen if there must be 2 married couples and 1 other person who may or may not be married? Right, तो मैं कुछ ऐसे काम स्टार्ट करता हूँ. मैं कहता हूँ मेरे पास 2 तरह के लोग हैं, एक वो जो कि मैरिड कपल्स हैं, ठीक है, और एक वो जो अनमैरिड हैं. ऑलराइट, अब जो आपके पास मैरिड कपल्स हैं दैट इज़ 3 मैरिड कपल्स. तो 3 कपल का मतलब ये हो गया कि यहाँ पे मेरे पास 6 लोग ऑक्यूपाइड हो गए. ऑलराइट, और बाकी जो है वो मेरे पास अनमैरिड है, दैट इज़ 5. अब गौर से सुनने वाली बात है. पहली चीज़, इसने आपसे कहा कि 2 मैरिड कपल्स तो होना ही लाजमी है. ऑलराइट, तो मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि मेरे पास 3 मैरिड कपल्स हैं, उनमें से मैंने 2 को तो लेना ही लेना है. अच्छा, 2 का मतलब ये हो गया, 2 का मतलब क्या हुआ कि आपके 4 लोग पिक्ड हो चुके हैं. ऑलराइट, 4 लोग पिक्ड हो चुके हैं आउट ऑफ 11. बचे कितने? बचे आपके पास 7. और उन 7 में से आपने कहा कि कोई भी एक बंदा आ सकता है, वो माइट भी वो मैरिड हो, माइट भी वो अनमैरिड हो. तो 7 कॉम्बिनेशन 1 हो जाएगा, और इन दोनों को मैंने यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो 3 कॉम्बिनेशन 2 टाइम्स 7 कॉम्बिनेशन 1, ये आपका आंसर बनेगा. सिंप्लीफाई किया, यू विल गेट द आंसर 21. ये आपका पार्ट 3 का आंसर. June 2007. Find the number of ways in which all 12 letters of the word refrigerator can be arranged if there are no restrictions. So how many letters we have? We have 12 letters. So out of those 12 letters, how many letters are repeating? So if you observe that how many times we are getting an R here, so we can count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 R's, and except R's we have E's. We have, it's 1 and 2, right? So we have 2 E's. Anything else that is repeating? I think those 2 letters are repeating here. Alright, so now the answer will be, for the first part, it will be equals to 12 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial gives you the value of 9979200. That is your first part answer. After that, part B, if the R must all be together. Alright, so you have 12 characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The condition says all the R's are together, so you have 4 R's and they are together. Now how many spaces we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That will be 9 factorial, and inside that box we have R's here. So that can be represented by 4 factorial, alright. So 9 factorial times 4 factorial and divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial implies that it is equals to 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial. For second part, it says, first read the question carefully. How many different selections? Now it talks about the selection, that means the question of combination we have of 4 letters from the 12 letters of the word refrigerator contain no R's and 2 E's. Alright, so it must not have any value of the R, but 2 E's should be there. At first we have 12 characters, right? But out of 12 we are looking for only 4. Alright, so we are looking for 4 letters, right? We cannot pick any R because it says no R, right? But we have 2 E's, so the 2 places have been occupied by E's. Alright, so the total characters we have are 12. We cannot pick any value of the R, so you need to subtract -4. That means 8, right? Out of those 8 we have 2 E's, that means the leftover characters we have it 6, and for these 2 places we can have 6 combination 2. Alright, so 6 combination 2, that is equals to 15, and it's your answer. Alright, it's November 2008. Our builder is planning to build 12 houses along one side of a road. He will build 2 houses in style A. So for first part, I can say that if it is A, so it is 2 styles, right? For B, it has 2 houses in the same style. C, it has 3, and D, it has 4. And for E, it has only 1. For the first part, it says find the number of possible arrangements of these 12 houses. So it's 12 factorial divided by 2 factorial for A, 2 factorial for B, 3 factorial for C, and 4 factorial for D. Simplify and you will get 831600. That is your first part answer. Next part, it's part 2. It says you have 2 categories, first group and second group. The 12 houses will be in 2 groups. Find the number of possible arrangements. If all the houses in styles A and D are in the first group, and all the houses in styles B, C, and E are in the second group. So if we talk about the first group, there are 6 houses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have A and D, right? So how many houses in A we have? So these 2 houses we have for A, and for D we have 4 houses, so that will be for D. Alright, now they can swap each other, right? They can swap each other, so that is for 2 factorial or 2. Inside that box it can be swapped, and inside that box it will be swapped. So what we have 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. That is for option A, right? For option B, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is for option B, and that's for option A. Alright. For option B, we have style B, C, and E. For B, we have 2. So that is for B. This is 2, right? And for C, we have 3. So for C, we have 3. And for E, we have 1. So the leftover is 1, right? So now that will be equals to 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial, and these two answers, they need to be multiplied. So when you multiply these two, you will get the final answer, and that is equals to 900. After that, for part 3, the question says 4 of the 12 houses will be selected for a survey. So the selection we have, it's 4, right? And the condition is exactly one house must be in style B and exactly one house in style C. Alright, so To make it easy, I'm going to draw 4 dashes here, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So if we are going to select house in style B, so there are two options, right? So for the first part, if we are going to select from style B, so we have two options. Similarly, if you observe for style C, so you have three options. So we have three options for style C. The question clearly indicates that exactly one house. Exactly means that if you have two styles in B, now the both of the two houses will be eliminated if you are going to select any one, right? We have three houses in style C, we have picked one, that means we cannot pick the other two. So the total we have, it's 12, right? And out of picked we have 2 from the style B and 3 from the style C. So what is the leftover? Leftover options are 7. Alright, and among those 7 options we need to select any 2, so that will be 7 combination 2. So you can say that it's 2 times 3 times 7 combination 2, it's 21, which leads to 126, and that is your answer.